Welcome to the cooler report. I'm go ahead to introduce our new products on my right hand. Display the faucets, and we're having the new units right here. Let me give the dimensions first. For the bottom base, it's about like a 9 inches wide, and the depth of the unit is about like a 13 inches and a half. And overall height is about this split. It's about like a 43 inches tall. So we can move closer to see the detail of the units. As we can see, the bottom we have here, they have a cold waters and hot water switches and two pipes connection at the behind. And they having water pipes goes up with a split. This handle, so you can just simply pull it out and you can move it. They can change the shape. And when you're pulling back, they have a small hinge here. The handlebars can lock right here. And also we have a big hinge connect with the wall. We can see they have two screwdrivers here you can mount on the wall. And when we look in the top, we can see this model can going up and also going down. And left here, they can also standing here too. And also we're having a small rings. You can push this handle inside to lock it and keep the units working. Thank you for watching the videos. This is all the administration information about the products. If you have more questions, feel free to contact with us.